Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python numeric data types or number data types. Right. So first of all, coming to the number or numeric data types. Okay. So here Python variables or Python values supports number or numeric data types of three types. First one, int. Second one, float type. Third one, complex type. Okay, right. So coming to the int, it can take integer value of any length. Okay, example 10, minus 20, minus 180, etc. So Python does not have any restrictions on the length of the integer. Next, float. Float type. So it is used to store real numbers with a decimal point. Example 5.9, 9.8, minus 15.8, etc. So the accuracy of these floating numbers are 15 digits after decimal. 15 digits after decimal. Okay. So now complex. So complex type is used to store imaginary numbers. Example a plus bj, where a is real part and b is imaginary part respectively. Okay, so j is square root of minus 1, mathematics. So 5 plus 6j, 1.5 plus 2.3j. So ab can be int as well as it can be float. So a b can be int as well as float. So here we can use type function to get the data type of a value or variable in a program, and Python also provides isinstance function. It is used to check whether a particular value or object belongs to a particular data type or not, and it returns true or false. So let us try to demonstrate this. Python numeric data types example1.py. Right, so first take comments at the beginning of the program. I'm taking a 10. Okay, so print a, type of a. Okay, and then we will also work with isinstance function. So let us put comment for the remaining cases. I'm checking here, print isinstance. It takes two input parameters. A is 10, so 10 comma data type, so 10 belongs to int data type, true. Similarly, print isinstance a 10 comma float, so 10 belongs to float, false. So save this. So come to the command prompt, so compile or directly run Python numeric data types example1.py. So 10 of type int. Okay, so 10 is an integer, true. 10 is a float, false, using isinstance method. Similarly, a value can be 10, minus 10, 0. Okay, now let us go for b. So b 10.5, print b object value, type of b float, isinstance b comma float, yes, true. Isinstance b comma int, false. Save this, run it. So 10.5 is the b value, data type class float type. So b is float type, true. So So B is instance of int false. So instance means object. Okay, instance means object. It will check whether B, the value contained in B is an object. If that object belongs to class float type or not, true or false. Next, let us work with complex number C variable 5 plus 6j. So print C value or object, print type of C complex. So print is instance C 5 plus 6j object belongs to complex class, true. C is of type int, false. So C instance of float, false. True, false, false. So run it. So 5 plus 6j is of type complex class type. So it belongs to complex class type, true. Is instance of int, is instance of float, false. So here we can also take different values for C. So we can take 5 plus 6j, or we can also take 10.5 plus 6.5j. So A, B can also be integer as well as float in complex number. So this is how we are supposed to work with number data types in Python programming: int, float, and complex. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.